dumpling squishy, and they said it has 3 dumplings inside. So let's pick some 3 colors. I want yellow, purple, and red. Let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yellow and purple and green. Okay, so cool. Look. So that's for all, guys. Bye. So this is all I got. Yellow, green, purple. Okay, so bye-bye, guys.